Hello, my friends. I'm going to read a book called The Action of Subtraction. It says subtraction, taking one number away from another, resulting in less than you started with. So that is subtraction. So I hope you enjoy this book about subtraction. Subtraction is an action that will make your total less, whether ice cream scoops or hula hoops or inches from a dress. Whether you are counting, it will take away a part and leave you then with not as much as you had at the start. If 7 angry bulldogs were barking at your door, a kitten could scare 3 away, then you'd be left with 4. And what if 13 hornets had nested in your tree? If 10 of them would just buzz off, you then have only 3. Do you see what subtraction does? It changes the amount. So you'll wind up with fewer when you do your final count. Minus means to take away some number from the whole. Like if you had 10 bowling pins and grabbed a ball to roll, let's say you knocked down 8 pins with the first ball that you threw, then you still would be standing then 2 would still be standing because 10 minus 8 is 2. Your second ball knocks 2 more down. You did it. You're the hero. Now all the pins are down because 2 minus 2 is 0. In this case, is means equals or totals just the same. That sign means matching a value in a problem or a game. Like if you had 3 time outs left and somehow lost your shoe, your coach would have to call 1 and you'd be left with 2. 3 was what you started with, then you subtracted 1. That would equal 2 more left before the game was done. If Jen had 12 stuffed animals and she gave 2 to Sally, then 5 more went to market. Here's how you'd do the tally. Start with 12, take 2 away. 12 minus 2 is 10. Subtract the 5 from Mary Kate. Then that leaves 5 for Jen. Whenever we've subtracted things, it makes us sad or glad, depending on whatever there is less of good or bad, like fewer school days due to snow or less time with the dentist, not as much discomfort since the doctor fixed your bent wrist. A smaller plate of vegetables, a shorter list of chores, less time with your homework, and not quite as many snores. See the number move towards 0 with a shrinking kind of action. And all of this is possible because we have subtraction. So what is subtraction? Do you know? Okay. And I know you know what subtraction is. It is taking an amount away from a number. So I hope you enjoyed this story. Thank you for reading it with me, my friends.